So I listened to what the guys talked about for this agent builder. Basically, they said like there are things that you want to automate that you probably never build, even if you have the technical skills. That was part of the motivation to do this. The other part of the motivation is just to basically open up the access for other agent engineers who are not developers, right? And you were asking me like, what's the plan for this? I don't actually know what we got access to the beta, but whether they're going to launch this as an individual product or is this just like a point to like, is this a starter app builder, you know, where it's like it sits in Langsmith and just then gets converted over into like a deployed agent that you just iterate on, and then maybe you get the code and then maybe you go from there. Not exactly sure. Based on what they've done in the past, it might be the latter. Here we go. So behind the scenes of these deep agents, we haven't talked much about these, right? Hopefully you've got the CLI running because I don't have the CLI of that running up and running yet. But, ooh, here we go. What sub-agents did it build? This is basically what it is behind the scenes. Is it has a planning tool, which is basically just like a Claude checklist. And I think they took a lot of the inspiration from Claude on this, right? Claude really is the first tool to go really hard on this stuff and do it really well. Then there's a detailed comprehensive system prompt. They talk about that being critical because like these agents that have the ability to execute very complicated tasks and long-running tasks typically have a very detailed and structured system prompt that deals with complexity, deals with failovers, deals with issues, deals with routing, and then a file system to read and write from, and then the ability to create custom sub-agents underneath. And it seems like a simple architecture, but it's very effective when you start using them. Like I said, this has been probably one of the best or the smartest agent builders I've used. And LangChain basically said that this is the secret sauce that sits underneath that.